Hi everyone, it's Gillian and welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, we're working on a very beginner friendly crochet coaster. Let's get started. To begin round 1, start with a magic ring. Chain 2, and that chain 2 doesn't count as a stitch. Into the ring, you're going to make 15 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, and we're going to pull our ring close. You're going to join to the first double crochet stitch, not the chain 2, with a slip stitch. And that is the end of round 1. For round 2, chain 2. This is also not a stitch. Into the space where you made your slip stitch, you're going to make 2 double crochets. And you're going to repeat 2 double crochets in the next stitch. And repeat 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Repeat that sequence around and we'll meet at the end. At the end of the round, you're going to join to the first double crochet stitch with a slip stitch. And you're going to fasten off this round. And that is the end of round 2. You should have 30 double crochets. For round 3, you can join in any of the stitches that you like. I'm going to join with a standing single crochet, and you can also use a slip stitch, chain 1, and then make your single crochet that way. For standing single crochet, put a slip knot on your hook. You're going to go into the stitch and pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook. You're going to wrap your hook and pull through both loops. In the next stitch, you're going to make a half double crochet. And you're going to make 2 double crochets into the next 3 stitches. One, 2, and 3, and a half double crochet in the next stitch. And you're going to repeat this sequence. In the next stitch, single crochet, half double crochet in the next stitch, and make 2 double crochets into the next 3 stitches. One, 2, and 3, and a half double crochet in the next stitch. You're going to repeat this sequence 3 more times and we'll meet at the end. At the end of the round, you're going to make a slip stitch to the single crochet stitch. And that is the end of round 3. For round 4, this slip stitch is going to count as part of the repeat for round 4. So into the next stitch, you're going to make a half double crochet. Make a double crochet in the next stitch. You're going to make 2 double crochets into the next 4 stitches. One, two, three, and 4. In the next stitch, you're going to make a double crochet and a half double crochet in the next stitch. And you're going to start your repeat again, single crochet into the next stitch, slip stitch into the next stitch, half double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, make 2 double crochets into the next 4 stitches, one and 4. Make a double crochet in the next stitch and a half double crochet in the next. You're going to repeat this sequence around and we'll meet at the end. And we're going to fasten off here. This is the end of the round. And I'm going to join to the half double crochet stitch, not the slip stitch, and into the back loop of the last stitch, and then over to the slip stitch, and then you're going to weave in your ends. And that is the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, share it, and I'll see you in the next video.